Everybody, how are you all? I hope you are all fit and fine, fantastic. Now I am here for recording my video, for speaking, for practicing English. As you can say, as you know, as a learner we have to speak English, we have to practice English every day. If you don't practice and without practice English, no one can speak English properly. So we should practice English every day. Now I am practicing English, now I am speaking my English, and if I practice English every day, then I am being able to speak English in front of others I know. And if you are not practicing English every day, that's mean you are not going to improve your English level. So you can speak English every day and you can practice English every day. And is it possible for it? Then you can make video like this type of small simple video you can make, so that you can speak English, so that you can overcome your problem, so that you can kill your mouth hesitation. So you should make video. If you have mobile phone, then you can record your video by yourself easily. And I used to do like this type of activity when I started my English journey. That's why I'm telling you, those days are really very useful for me, as you can say, because I used to practice English with in not in front camera, with back camera I always used to practice. And when I started making video in front camera, the time I first day that time I laughed a lot, that how I am telling and how my expressions, all things I followed carefully and I laughed a lot. Then by practicing English every day, now really I cannot laugh, but I feel proud of myself. Then I can speak English. And when I started my journey, that time who are very near to me, those people were telling me that what are you doing, you are wasting your time, why, what the use of speaking English, why you are learning this language now this age, it's not your correct job, it's not your correct work, you should focus on your works. That time those people were telling me. But when I can speak English now, present time, I can speak English. So those people are telling me, you try to show off your English speaking skill, but it's not like that. I try to speak English, I try to practice English. I don't want to become perfect English speaker. I just try to speak English, all things, all activities I try to speak in English, and it's my hobby, as you can say, it's my dream. So that's why I every day I speak English in front of others who are very interested about English speaking skill, English learn English language. Those people, I am telling you that you can do it, you can do it. Never listen others. Yes, you should every day you should practice, and every day you should learn new things. Not you, if you are following daily use sentences, it's okay. But if you are not only daily use sentences, but also you have to learn others thing, other words and other grammatical rule, you have to learn besides of it every day by doing this type of activity. And you have to believe in yourself. Then I will speak, I can do it every day. Start with your positive energy. Yes, start with your positive energy, because being a housewife, if I can speak English, so why not you who are housewife, who are trying to speak English? Then you don't have any speaking partner, you don't have any opportunity, I can say that you can try. every day you can watch you English relative any videos you can watch, and you can make simple sentences, simple video you can make, and you can upload to improve your English fluency, to improve your English speaking skill on YouTube, on social media, everywhere you can upload. And by doing this type of activity every day, if you do it, I'm sure you will be able to speak English properly. Believe me, because I have already told you, when I started back in my day, that time I used to practice English like this way. No one can speak English nowadays, and nowadays everyone is busy. So what should I do? I thought that I should work, and I should manage my time to speak English, to learn this language. I should not waste my time. So every day, little by little, I started my journey, and nowadays, really, I feel happy. I feel proud of myself that I can understand also others when someone speak English in front of me. I can understand, and also I can feedback, I can compromise. Really, that's why I am feeling very happy, and I will be speaking English, and I will be practicing English. It's just a normal speaking, and I want to speak English. All things in English is my dream. So bye bye, see you again, and if I make mistake, please correct me, because as you know, I am new learner and I am learning English without any tutor. So thank you so much for watching my video, and if you don't subscribe my channel, please go and subscribe, and please stay with me. I'm sure you will learn this language easily like me. Bye bye, take care of yourself.